Hey friends, how are you? Welcome back to one more video of Global Years. So in today's video we will try to look into the documents that are required for your dependence visa, for the skilled worker visa, and we are trying to understand that what are the important aspects that you have to keep in mind for this dependent skilled worker visa application. So without any further delay, let's move on. And hey, once more, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe. And I do make videos about immigration. I do make videos about the visa, about different types of job opportunities. And if you find that these videos are important, do share, comment, and once again, show a lot of love to my videos. Move on to the different documents that you would be providing as a dependent for your visa application. So the number one document I would say is the passport. So yes, please take care that your passport is at least 6 months valid, and that is important. And once again, try to see that all of the documents details are absolutely correct in your passport and that matches with your visa application. So it's very important. Sometimes we miss out on smaller details, say your name or your title has changed after marriage and things like those. So please be careful. Number two is the marriage certificate, I would say. Now again, there is one aspect like that you have to take into account. If you are a married couple, you can provide your marriage certificate. If you are not a married couple, yes, you can bring in your live-in partner, you can bring your girlfriend or your boyfriend, provided that you can show a 2 years continuous relationship proof. Now this is a very specific requirement that is recommended by the Home Office. Now, how would you show the 2 year continuous live-in residential requirement, like your relationship status, I mean. So the proof of relationship could be shown in different ways. Number one is you can show it via your rental agreement, your agreement where you are staying together, and things like your utility bills, like your electricity bill where you're paying together and things like those. So that really helps to kind of establish the fact. You can have letters from your close relatives, say for example your parents or your close relatives can write a letter describing the relationship. You can definitely show your pictures in terms of how close you have been for the past couple of years. And again, you don't have to show pictures for every month, but maybe like in a 3 or 4 months period, you can show pictures of your trips or any event that you have been part of and things like those. Also, one more thing is about you can also show your chats, again, not very personal ones, but the ones which establish the kind of closeness or the relationship that you have. You can be choosy about it, but you can show it, right? So this is important. And yes, it doesn't really say the exact list, but these tips would really help to understand that how you can show. Otherwise, if you're a married couple, again, it's very simple. You can just show your marriage certificate, the ones that we have. Specifically, if I talk about India, you have your registrar certificate of marriage. So I think that is more than enough. And the next one would be the TB certificate. So that is again dependent on the country you're applying from. For the subcontinent countries, you have to show it. The next one is your financial support or the proof of the financial support. So for that, again, depends on the cost letter that you the main applicant is issued. So if the cost letter has provided the provision that they would provide the maintenance for the first month, you're fine. Else you can show your main applicant's financial documents. That means that you can show the bank statements of the main applicant if the dependent doesn't really work or doesn't have enough funds. Now, if the dependent also is currently working, then they should have like their own, they might have their own savings, so that could also be shown together, right? So that comes like as the financial statements. Now the final one is about the police clearance. Now there are some jobs where you might need a police clearance based on the job you are applying. Mostly like if you're applying for a care home or you're applying for like a sensitive research kind of a job, all of those will need a police clearance, right? So for that reason, your dependents would also need a police clearance. So that is important, and you might also have to provide that. So that's it. These are all of the documents and the tips that you would need when you're applying for your dependent visa. And if you have any other questions, do let me know, or if I have missed out on any specific documents, do let me know as well. So till then, take care, and I will see you in another video. Bye.